Keyboard shortcut for the Windows Explorer address bar. Is there a keyboard shortcut in Windows Explorer, Windows 7, to put the cursor into the address bar, where the current path is shown?
Found it. It's possible with the following two shortcuts. Alt plus D selects the current path in English versions. See comments for other languages. On Windows 8, Control plus L can also be used to select the current path, all languages. F4 will put the cursor at the end of the current path and expand the drop-down list of the address bar, all languages. BTW, here's a complete list of keyboard shortcuts in Windows 7, this URL.
If you're using non-English version, you can use AutoHotkey with this script.
Another AutoHotkey solution based on the one from AdEpifun. AdEpifun's solution does not work if the address in the address bar is very long.
Control plus L seems to be working in many browsers, in File Explorer too. It's in Windows 8, in Windows 7 it does not work.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.